Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, I'm going to make this chicken pasta salad. I'm using some leftover roast chicken, and I often do this, kind of just make a salad the next day with it, bulk it out a bit with some lovely goodness, and we've got a nice easy salad. So I've got pasta, roast chicken, beans, lots of different types of vegetables, and I made a very simple pesto mayo. Let's get on with it. Okay, so let's take a look at what we need. In fact, you can put anything you like in. Just this is what I'm going to use today. So we've got our roast chicken, nice bit of leftover roast chicken from a Sunday roast. Skin is on, it's beautiful, just chopped it up. Now I'm going to be adding some pasta. I've got some cooked fusilli. I'm going to add some red beans, bell peppers, cucumber, tomato, green onions, fresh mint. Then we're going to make a really simple pesto mayo. So I've got some mayonnaise there, a little bit of green pesto. I'm going to mix that together, a bit of salt and pepper, that's it. Now, like I say, think about putting some chickpeas in, or different beans, some lentils, some other different vegetables, celery and things like that. Up to you really, whatever you want goes, doesn't it? So I'm going to get that all together. Bang, it's done. So here we go, mixing bowl, pasta's in. I'm going to get my red beans in there. My cucumber. My bell peppers, nice bit of colour there. Got 3 different colours in there. The green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. Fresh mint. Now I just think a fresh herb of some sort in there is good. So you could try parsley, coriander, basil. I think mint works really well with this. Tomato. And the amounts of everything as well. Don't panic about that. Like I say, this is a kind of a bit of a makeshift recipe. That bit of roast chicken in there. I'm going to give that a mix. Then we're going to make a little simple dressing, then give it another mix. And with this really simple dressing, like I said, got some mayonnaise, got some green pesto. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt to that. Some black pepper. Now think about maybe adding some lemon juice to this to thin it out a bit and give it that flavour, or maybe some mustard in there, up to you. And like I say, not a lot of dressing for the amount of salad we've got, but I don't like too much dressing on it. I don't want to drown it, so just a simple amount. Maybe a little bit of garlic in there could be good. There you go, look, very simple. Pesto mayo. Simply going to get that back into the salad. So let's add a nice little mix. In goes our simple dressing. Like I say, I don't like too much. You might want to add a bit more than I'm doing, but I like just a kind of thin amount just there. Very simply, one more final mix. We're done. And there you go, really, really simple, I think really beautiful. Like I say, just turn that little bit of extra roast chicken that I had into a beautiful pasta salad for lunch the next day. Bulk it out with whatever you want, get loads of goodness in there. Super duper. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up, that helps us out a lot, and leave a comment and let us know how you're doing. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.